Hello, so in today's tutorial I'm going to show you like how we are going to add a signature, this signature, into the form. So for example, we have this form as well. So both of the things that I'm opening into the previewer. So this is the form and this is a signature. What you need to do is to just simply select all like this, copy, Control C, Control V, copy and paste. So once you are going to select this signature, Control X for cut. Now move to this your PDF and Control V for the paste. So here you can see like with the high quality, with the same quality, the signature you have now the image here. So for example, you place here and Control S for save. So I just close this, and if I'm going to open this, it will be placed.